Hello everyone, I am Roja from British. Today I am going to compare M3 JNTUK R20 regulations April-May 2025 paper with our British question and answers, and I am going to show exactly 52 marks of the same numericals have been repeated in the question paper. So there is no change in numericals also. So total 52 marks of the same numericals have been repeated. So if you see here, one big question is to find out the curl of the given function at a particular point. So we have already given the same model, but the numericals are changed, that's it, to find out the curl of a function at a given point. So this is same model question. Next one, 1A question is to find out gradient and scalar of the particular point at a given point. So we have given the same thing, but in a problem, we have already calculated the gradient of the given function at a particular point. In the next step, we will calculate the gradient at a particular point. The next one is to verify Stokes theorem of the given function. So the next question is to verify Stokes theorem of the given function. So the same model question we have given in our British material. So this is 14 marks question, same model, but just the numericals have been changed. Here also we have given to verify the Stokes theorem problem. Next, to find out the Laplace of the given function. To find out the Laplace of the given function in formats of t, we have already given a problem regarding to that. So t power n format. So same model have been repeated. Next one, to find out the problem by using convolution theorem. So evaluate the given thing by using convolution theorem. The same thing exactly is repeated just here in place of 4. Here wherever 4 is there I have given a square, and wherever 9 is there I have given b square value. So the entirely exactly the same thing is repeated, but just in place of a square you need to write down 4 and b square as 9. That's it, that will be the answer. Next one, solve the differential equation, that is higher order differential equation. The same format we have given here also to solve the higher order differential equation using Laplace. So same model question is repeated. The next one is to find out the Fourier series of a given function and hence evaluate a particular value, that too in minus L to L interval. So here also we have given minus L to L interval and given function, and almost in every problem in Fourier series other than this we have already calculated the deduction. So same model question is repeated. Next one, to find out the Fourier sine series of a particular function. Exactly the numericals also have been repeated. That is 7 marks of the same numericals. Next question, to find out the Fourier sine integral of the given function and hence evaluate. So I am minimizing for you to easily compare. So if you see, the same numericals have been repeated with exact same numericals. So it is also the same question. 7 marks are of the same numericals, no change in numericals also. Next one is to find out Fourier series, Fourier transform of a particular function and hence evaluate it. So the same model question is given to find out Fourier transform and hence evaluate a particular value. So here we will discuss how to find out and how to evaluate for all different types. And the next question is to find out the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants and arbitrary functions. So exactly the same model is repeated almost. The numericals are also somewhat they are similar, but the numericals are not exactly matched. So we have repeated is as same model question. Next one, to solve the partial differential equation with the same numericals, exactly the question is repeated, that is 6 marks are same. Next one, solve the partial differential equation. This is also the same thing. So exact the same model is repeated. This is Lagrange's model. We will be discussing it in the material. So exactly same model is repeated. Now the next one is solve f of x square plus y square plus z square. So exactly the same numerical is repeated. Extra we have given x plus y. So if you eliminate this value here, if you eliminate this particular value here, exactly the same numericals have been repeated. Again 4 marks are same. The next question is solving of partial differential equation. That is I have compared it with RHS side. So LHS side also we have discussed this type of problems. We have given many problems in this format, many examples, almost 5 examples. So you can easily do this problem. And the next one, to solve the higher order differential equation, exactly the same numericals have been repeated. So 7 marks are same. And the last one, to solve the heat wave equation with the initial conditions, exactly total value is repeated. So everything is same. So direct question, 14 marks question. If you write down what we have given in the material, directly it is same. So you will get 14 marks from the last sheet. There only you are getting 14 marks. So totally if I compare, total the same numerical marks are 52. And out of 70 marks, our models have been matched. Out of 70 marks, you will get 66 of the same marks. And if you compare with the whole question paper, that is for 140 marks, you can easily attempt 126 marks. And these 52 are same numericals. So just if you attempt the same numericals question only, you will get directly 52 marks and you can easily pass your exam.